And so far, for the past, for the past 2 months, starting May, nagsimula na itong pag-aano natin. Pag-cooperate for witness protection.
So far, sir, anong mga cooperation yung i-commit or i-commit?
Basta we will protect the witnesses. Whatever it takes to protect the witnesses, we will do. Because the prosecution will rely on these witnesses to prove their case.
Up to hanggang sa dahig po?
Hindi, hanggang dito lang sa Pilipinas, siyempre pakitignon kanila na yan. Pero habang nandito yan, it's also our obligation to help them. Kasi if we can protect witnesses for other cases, why not in this case?
Sir, DOJ mainly ang kausap na ICC.
Yes. Yung isang branch natin. For witness protection.
Ilalagay nga sir sa WPP at so lahat ng gastos nila sagot syempre ng gobyerno yan.
So far hindi pa naman umaabot doon. But yung mga arrangements na kinakailangan gawin, responsive lang tayo basta may pangangailangan. We bridge the different gaps. Basta nangangailangan sila ng tulong, they just inform our people and we respond accordingly.
Check wala bang conflict yan dun sa original position natin dati na no longer a member?
Hindi naman. Alam mo yan, international tribunal yan. And sabi ko nga, 9581, we already chose not to pursue the cases and let the ICC pursue these cases. Given that, it becomes also our obligation to help them because we are giving up our jurisdiction for their jurisdiction. Kasi nga, ang hirap na i-prove yung case dito at i-build up ang kaso dahil yung mga kailangan mong magsalita ay kasama sa krimen. Kaya komplikado rito. Kaya pinaubayan natin sa ICC yung paghahabol na to. So, sapagkat doon nag-file yung mga victims.
Sir,
doon kasi nag-file.
Ayaw magdadala sa kanila sa ICC kung sakaling...
Hindi natin sagot yan. Sila na ang bahala gumawa ng paraan. Basta tayo, we make sure they're safe. Dapat lang safe yung mga testigo.
So, sir,